Yanni at 8 months. Okay, she's eating biscuits in one corner. That's my baby Yanni.
Yanni.
So cute.
I like baby Yanni.
She's eating biscuits. Wow.
I eat biscuits like my kid.
Hi, baby Yanni.
And he just cooks it like that.
Show your biscuit. Matigas yan, matigas. Ating pasaway. Yanni. Cute, cute. Hello.
Where'd that bud come from?
Hello. Ang aking mga babies.
That's good.
Yes. That's enough. Bye-bye.
Hungry.
Bye-bye.